my name is Eunike. I'm a student from Christian University of Indonesia. Here is my daily routine as a college student. So in the morning, I usually wake at 6 o'clock. Before I do other activities, I take 5 minutes to pray and another 5 minutes to exercise so I don't feel sleepy when I have a class in the morning. I immediately take a shower and after that, I got ready to go to campus. Then I went to campus on foot or by foot because the distance between the boarding house and my campus was not far and not close either. So yeah, while waiting for the class to start, I stopped briefly at the canteen to fill my stomach if there was a time. Then after finishing my college, I hang out with my friends talking about funny and random things. After that, I went back to take a rest for a bit, and at night, I continued to finish my assignments quickly so I could continue the Korean drama I was watching, and finally, I slept at 1 or 2 p.m.